Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix wireless display not showing in Windows 11. So the first fix is to reinstall wireless display. Just open settings, then press Windows plus L to open settings using this command. Now go to optional features, then click system. On the right side, click optional features. Now click View Features and in the search box type Wireless Display. Check the box next to it, then click Install. Restart your PC and once installation is complete, restart your computer again to apply the changes. The second fix is to allow wireless display through Windows Defender Firewall. Just click on the Start menu, then type Windows Defender Firewall. Click Open and in the left panel, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings and if prompted, click Yes. Find Wireless Display in the list, then check all the boxes like Left Checkbox, Private and Public. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.